morning everyone. Hope you all safe with a good health. With you, Miss Dina Al-Badri, physics teacher for grade 9. Today we will start section 2, current. Okay. To know the meaning of the current or to explain the current, we have to know or remember the potential energy and kinetic energy. What is the meaning of the potential energy? Energy stored in an object due to its position. Okay, so potential energy, it is the energy that is stored inside the body when the body doesn't move. Okay, what's the meaning of the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy, it is the energy an object possesses due to its motion. So the kinetic energy is the energy of the body when the body is moved. Electric current, it is the rate of charge passed through a given point. Flow the electron from A to B. We talked last time about the electric current. It's related to the electron, which has a negative charge. They have a less mass, so it can move easily. Okay, so the electric current, it is the rate at which a charge passes through the given point, or it's the flow of electron from point A to point B. So the electric current related more to the amount of the electron than the speed of the electron. The electric current measured by a unit called ampere. 1 ampere equals 6.25 by 10 over 18 electron per second. Okay, when a charge flows, they carry energy that can be used to do work. So any body in nature contain energy, even it move or at rest. Okay, so when charge flow, they carry energy that can be used to do work. Electric potential energy, the ability to move an electric charge from one point to another point. Okay, what is the meaning of the electric potential? Electric potential energy, the ability to move an electric charge from one point to another. Charges natural move from an area with high electrical potential energy. Electric potential energy, the ability to move an electric charge from one point to another point. Charge naturally move from an area with high electric potential energy to an area with low electric potential energy. Electric potential energy is measured in volts. Did you see here? Low current. Low current, number of charge is low. Here high current, the number of electric charge or electron is high. Electric potential energy is measured in volts. So the electric current measured in ampere. Electric potential energy or potential energy is measured in volts. When electrons flow, they transfer energy and transform electrical energy into other form of energy, like sound energy, light energy, heat energy. So when electron flow, they transfer energy and transform electrical energy into other form of energy. So electrical power or energy, it means electric energy change to another type of energy when it starts to move. What is the meaning of the electrical power? The rate at which electrical energy is converted into other form of energy. What is the meaning of the electrical? What the meaning of the electrical power? The rate at which electrical energy is converted into other form of energy. Rate of power, or electrical power, the unit of the electrical power is watt. So the unit for power is watt. The unit of the electrical power is watt. The unit of the electric current is ampere. The unit of the electrical potential energy is volt. Electrical power is calculated by multiply the total current by volt. Electric power is calculated by multiplying the total current by the voltage in a circuit. Okay, so the power P equal I by V. Okay, voltage is the difference in a charge between 2 points, a so-called potential difference. Voltage is charge in motion. Think of the battery. There is a voltage across the terminals. One terminal is positive and the other is negative. Terminal is one side. It means one side. So this side is positive and another side is negative. Electrons will always flow from negative to positive when they are connected. So all the time the electrons or the electric current pass from the negative side or the negative terminal to the positive terminal. Okay, the first type of the current is direct current. Its flow of charge always in one direction. The amount of the current can change, but it will always flow in the same direction. For example, the battery. In a metals, moving electrons make up the currents. Did you see here? It is a direct current, so it moves from negative terminal to the positive one. Direct current, what are the examples of direct current? Like the lightning is a form of DC caused by the static. Did you see here this video? Yeah, it is the lightning in the form of a DC. Static is formed when air molecules move past each other, like clothes in a dryer, and negative charge group at the bottom of the cloud, and transfer electron which has taken on a positive charge. So the direct current happening by static is formed when an air molecules move past each other, and negative charge group at the bottom of the cloud, and transfer electron to the ground which has taken on a positive charge. Okay, it means that positive charge, negative charge hit each other. Okay, and it happening fast. Direct current, like the direct current in battery. Battery device which produce a direct current through a chemical reaction. When the positive and negative terminals are connected through a device, they produce a flow of electrons from negative to positive, which power the device or empower the device. Alternate current. So we talked about DC or direct current. Alternating current or AC, flow of charge back and forth, changing its direction many times in 1 second. AC power is used all over the world because it's cheaper and easier to make a device with AC power. All of the applications or devices and lights in your house run off of AC power. Okay, this is the shape of the AC power. Did you see? Alternate current first this way, okay, and alternate current then this way, move in another way. Did you see? Yeah, sometime it take this way, sometime it take this way. Okay, next time we will talk about continental current and section 3. That's all today. Hope you all understand. Thank you. Please check your LMS to solve the sheet.